Extreme Abilities is a non-profit organization that focus on surfing. We go to uncharted surf breaks because that is all that we have. Drakoskraal on the west coast peninsula of South Africa is nothing more than a farm with basic access to the ocean. No curbed roads with parking, no showers, no coffee shops, not even reception. When we roam for waves, nature can be unpredictable. If you want to help us out, Extreme Abilities is a registered public benefit organization and a non-profit company. We need new wheels for 2026 and forward.